Hello, How To Bob here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the price on a GE coin op washer with a Greenwald coin operation system. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect it from the power source. Then I'm going to need the key to unlock the side access door. I'll remove that and set that off to the side. And we're going to go in the coin box, and there's a real long bolt located inside right here. Let me see if I'll push the slot in, the coin slot in, and show you where it is. It's right here. That's what needs to be removed. And to remove that, I'll need a small ratchet with a 5/16 inch socket. Just loosen it up. There's not too many threads on this. Once I get it loose, I can push the coin chute in and pull it out the rest of the way by hand. And then you can see I can pull the coin chute out, but it doesn't come out all the way. So I need to go back over here and use my 5/16 socket once again. And the little trip arm here needs to be removed so that I can easily take my coin chute out the front. It should slide right out now. Okay, now that I have my coin chute out, I'm going to take the spring off first. Once I get the spring off, I'll load up the correct amount of coins. For this one, it's $1.50. And then I will push the coins all the way through. By removing the spring, it will allow the coin chute to stay all the way extended, which is where I need to do my next step. Then I can take the coins out, and I want to keep the coin chute pushed all the way in, and then I'll remove the 2 Phillips screws on the top. And those 2 screws are holding the retainer bar here on the bottom. So I'll save the screws for reinstallation. Once that bar comes off, there's 2 little plugs that I'm going to remove, the little plastic plugs. Those are where the coins are going to go. And you can see that's an empty hole here, and there's an empty hole in the other one that I just removed. So then I can put my bar back on. It has a little stamp on it that says up, and that'll be facing the outward direction. And then I can put my 2 Phillips screws back through the opposite side and tighten those up. Once I get those tightened up, put the return spring back on the hooks. And I'll check it for operation, make sure that it works good. Pulls it back, that's good. Then I'm going to put the coin chute back in where it belongs. Next, I'm going to put the trip lever back on and tighten that down. You can do this after you put the nut in. It may make it a little easier for you. And see if that hits. That's good. Then I'm going to put the bolt back in. A little trick that might help put the bolt back in a little easier is pull the coin chute out just a little bit, then put the bolt in the center hole, and then all I need to do is tighten it down with my 5/16 socket. Then all that's left to do, put the cover on and remove the old price. So we went from $1.50, added 2 more quarters, so that makes it $2 now. Peel off the coin chute, wipe it down with some alcohol so it has good adhesion, and replace the decals. So that's how you change the price on a GE coin op washer with a Greenwald coin bank. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.